Welcome back to Inner Wellness TV, your ultimate guide to spicing things up in the bedroom. Today, we're diving deep into the 9 best sex positions that women simply cannot handle. These moves are not just about physical pleasure. They're about connection, passion, and knowing what makes her tick. So, if you're ready to elevate your intimate life and leave your partner absolutely breathless, stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Position 1. The Elevated Lotus. This position combines intimacy with sensual depth. The man sits cross-legged while the woman straddles him, wrapping her legs around his waist. This posture allows for deep penetration while keeping the partners close for intense eye contact and synchronized breathing. It's perfect for creating an emotional and physical connection that will leave her completely mesmerized. Position 2. The Arch of Ecstasy, Modified Doggy Style. Doggy style is a fan favorite, but here's the twist. Encourage her to arch her back more than usual. This subtle adjustment enhances the angle, intensifying G-spot stimulation and making it impossible to resist. Bonus tip: place your hands on her hips to guide the rhythm and add a layer of dominance she won't forget. Position 3. The Standing Ovation. This is perfect for those spontaneous moments of passion. The man lifts the woman slightly while pressing her back against a sturdy surface, like a wall. The standing position creates a unique sense of urgency and excitement. Pro tip: ensure there's enough support for both partners to stay comfortable and safe during this adventurous move. Position 4. The Coiled Passion, Spooning with a Twist. Spooning is already an intimate favorite, but by lifting her top leg slightly, you open up a whole new level of depth and pleasure. This position is perfect for lazy mornings or nights where comfort meets passion. The side-to-side motion creates an irresistible rhythm that will have her coming back for more. Position 5. The Bridge of Desire, Bridge Position. In this position, the woman lifts her pelvis off the bed, creating a bridge-like shape. The man kneels between her legs, controlling the depth and pace of the movements. This not only enhances penetration, but also targets sensitive areas with precision. It's a workout and a pleasure session rolled into one. Perfect for keeping things dynamic and exciting. Position 6. The Reverse Magnet, Reverse Cowgirl. This position gives her control while allowing you to enjoy the view. The reverse cowgirl lets her dictate the rhythm and depth, creating an experience tailored to her preferences. Add a little variation by leaning forward or backward to hit different angles. Trust me, she won't be able to handle the intensity. Position 7. The Starfish Delight, Flat Doggy Style. Flat Doggy Style is all about closeness and control. As she lies flat on her stomach, you control the depth and tempo, making it a deeply sensual experience. This position is perfect for whispering sweet nothings in her ear or exploring subtle touches along her back to heighten the sensation. Position 8. The Flying V, Edge of the Bed Position. For this move, she lies on her back with her hips at the edge of the bed, and you stand or kneel in front. This position allows for a unique angle that's incredibly stimulating for both partners. Use your hands to caress her body or hold her thighs for added intimacy. She'll love every second of it. Position 9. The Spiral Tango, Seated Side Position. This is one of the most intimate positions, perfect for slow, sensual lovemaking. Both partners lie on their sides, facing each other with legs intertwined. This allows for deep connection through touch, eye contact, and synchronized breathing. This position isn't just about physical pleasure. It's about emotional bonding and making her feel truly cherished. Now that we've covered the 9 irresistible positions, here are a few tips to make your experience even more unforgettable. Set the mood. Use soft lighting, music, and scents to create a relaxing atmosphere. Prioritize communication. Talk openly about what feels good and what doesn't. Focus on foreplay. Building anticipation is key to a satisfying experience. Be attentive to her needs. Pay attention to her reactions and adjust accordingly. Have fun. Remember, intimacy is about enjoying the moment together. That's a wrap for today's video on the 9 best sex positions women just can't handle. Remember, intimacy is about exploration, communication, and having fun. So don't be afraid to try new things and discover what works best for you and your partner. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting content, and share it with someone who could use a little inspiration in their life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.